Flexibility. Water. It is so important to see the opportunity at the right time and seize it so that you can evolve. It is flexibility that helps us find new solutions and forms for implementing ideas. We think creatively and optimistically thanks to it. We believe that the slightest impulse can launch outstanding projects, and ideas can have a lot of connotations and unusual combinations, especially if you implement them caring for people. Our flexibility is like water, which paves the way to small and large-scale achievements every day. Innovation. Land. The diversity of nature shows how wide the world of ideas can be. Our unique experience is the basis and foundation of innovative solutions. Do not stop. Keep your finger on the pulse. Always move forward. The world is constantly changing, and we strive to move at the same pace with it. Each of us is an inexhaustible source of innovation. Involvement. Fire. Involvement is an exceptionally soft power that is born of awareness and maturity. Each member of our team is passionate about what they do, and we easily find like-minded people because we have so much in common. We are engaged because we can be right here, right now, and focus on the important things without wasting talents on trifles. We are really together as we all really care. Each of us is the spark that keeps the great fire of Infopulse common achievements alive. Many people ask us how we manage everything, and we think the more challenges we have, the better. Openness-Wind. Each new day gives a chance to prove yourself. We see the world as a large number of opportunities for development and growth. Our company is open to the world, and Infopulsers are the people with a zest for life and a zeal for the work they do. Our ardor breaks fresh ground for us, and we ensure constant growth and progress by being willing to gain new experience. Being in harmony with yourself, it is easy to realize the most incredible projects, and the energy and thrill from such success are really inspiring. The wind is changeable, but we catch the flow, and it carries us into the open sea of opportunities.